Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install or set up PySpark 3.5.4 on Ubuntu 22 or 24 versions. First open a browser. The prerequisites for Spark or PySpark are Python and Java. Go to spark.apache.org. Hit enter, click on latest release. Before installing, see Spark runs on Java 8, 11 or 17 and Python versions 3.8 plus. Okay, so we have to install both. Then we will download the Spark. Okay, first open terminal and verify Java version, any one of these is installed or not, or on Python 3.8. Okay, so open terminal, verify Java version. See, we don't have Java, so we are going to install OpenJDK 17 and verify the Python version. Python 3. See, I have Python, so one prerequisite matched. So we are going to install Java JDK 17. Okay, so go to new tab, oracle.com, then click on products, then Java, then click on download Java. But see here we have the Java JDK 17, 23 and 21, but we need 17. Okay, so click on Java archive for specific versions. See here we have the Java 17. Click on it, scroll down. We have to install this 64-bit Debian package. So right click on it, copy link, then go to terminal, wget, paste it, hit enter. It is typo, sorry, wget, paste it, hit enter. Wait a moment, it is downloading and its size is 150 megabytes. ls, see here we have the JDK 17. So install it, Ctrl A, ls. So install it by running the command sudo dpkg. See, if you have already Java, no need to perform this action. Okay, so -i, then give the JDK, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the Java version. Java -version. See, we have the Java 17. Okay, so both prerequisites Python and Java versions are installed. Okay, so ls, remove this one, it is not required because we have already installed. So we cleared the space. Now click on this downloads page to download the Spark 3.5.4. Click on it. See here the latest stable release is 3.5.4. Okay, select the version from this list and choose a package type. So I am going to select the latest one, then click on Spark 3.5.4 bin file. Click on it to download. Again click on this link to download. Click on it. See, download started and its size is 382 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd, go to downloads directory, ls. See here we have the Spark gunzip file. We have to unzip this file by using the command tar-xvf, then give the Spark, give the tab to autofill entire file name and hit enter. ls, see here we have the extracted file. So I am going to first rename this Spark directory as Spark 3.5.4. 3.5.4 is the version number. ls, see we have renamed. ls, now I am going to copy this extracted directory to opt directory. cp Spark, give the tab 3.5.4, give the tab /Spark, hit enter. So if I forgot to give -r, hit enter. Permission denied, give the sudo, hit enter. We have successfully copied Spark directory files and folders to this directory. Okay, so go to that /opt ls. See here we have the Spark directory. Okay, cd Spark ls. See here we have the bin directory. We need this bin directory. Okay, so we have to remember this path /opt spark. Now next step is we have to configure the environment variables. Sudo vi use tilde symbol, then / bash rc, hit enter, go to the bottom, shift A, hit enter, then enter the following command. I will keep this command in the video description. Export spark underscore home equals to open new tab. See, this directory we have to give. This is the directory. Okay, so /opt spark. You must verify the spellings clearly. Okay, and hit enter. Path equals to $path colon again $spark underscore home / bin. Then save the file. Again verify that same $spark home, everything. Yeah, see, in this directory we have the bin directory. I have shown you ls. See, here we have the bin directory. Okay, so save the file. Now source tilde bash rc, hit enter. It is done. Now we have configured everything. Control L. Now give the spark -shell, hit enter. See, if you haven't received me error, means we have successfully configured our setup. Wait a moment, it is loading. See, here it is scalar shell. Okay, and version is, see, this is the version. This is the latest version. So we have successfully configured. And this is the web UI for the Spark context. So copy it. And this is the my IP. Okay, so copy this one. Right click, copy. New tab, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. And see here, it is the Spark shell UI. Stages, see, we don't have any stages. Storage, environment. This is Spark shell and this is the version of Java. This is the Scala version. Okay, see, if you want to see the properties, you can see here. Okay, Control G to quit. Now we will see how to connect to PySpark. Control L, PySpark, hit enter. See, now Python shell. Okay, now use this web UI. (4041), hit enter. See, it is PySpark shell. Before it was Spark shell. Okay, and also if you go to environment, see here PySpark shell. See, remaining are common. Okay, and see here we have different properties. You can go through it and you can verify. Now we will run this sample Spark code. Okay, go to home, go back, click on examples. See, run this sample one to create the Spark data frame. Copy it, paste it. Sorry, it is not properly copied. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now verify df.show, hit enter. See, we got the contents of data frame. If you want to see the schema, just give print schema. And the last option is Control G to quit. Then go to home directory, cd downloads, ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully configured and connected to PySpark on Ubuntu Linux operating system. So remove them. rm spark use. Then also remove this one, rm-rf, give it ls. See, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have successfully installed our setup PySpark 3.5.4 on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. But the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.